Hi, Brittany here with Vibrant Rose Digital Solutions. I just wanted to make a quick video with you today and show some tips and tricks on how to help you boost your online presence. I don't want to take up too much of your time, and at the end of the video, if you could possibly give me some feedback and let me know if the tips were helpful, it would be greatly appreciated. So the things I want to go over with you today are content, backlinks, and citations. So content is going to be made up of anything on your front page here, any wording that you use, photos that you use, what's behind those photos, and how those photos are saved are all a part of your content. Now, Google does like to see about 1,500 to 2,000 words on a homepage. Within that content, you want to add keywords that you want your business to be found for. Now, a keyword is anything that someone might type into Google looking for a particular service or product. In your content, you can place these keywords throughout to tell Google exactly what terms you want your website to be found for. That way you can start to rank for different things that people are searching for, which is something that would be a big help. Now, I did input your information into a tool that we use here called Araps, and the first thing you see here is going to be your trust and your strength. This is on a scale of 100. And the idea is to be able to keep them as even as possible and raise them as much as possible as well. Now, you are indexing for 0 keywords at the moment. And so that's what's going to help bring that traffic to that site. So we'd have to, take a look at different competitors, see what their keywords are, and try to utilize those into your web page. Now, right now you have a total of 4 backlinks from 2 referring domains. So a backlink is anywhere that you find one website linking to another website. These links act like an endorsement of your website from others, which Google then uses to build trust in your business by seeing others vouching for you. Now, not all of these backlinks are the same. Some are more spammy and some are more authoritative. So you really want to go after the links that are more authoritative. That will bring power to your website. I'll be able to show you in comparison to some people that are coming up in Google that would be a competition in here in just a few moments. So let me go over the next thing here, which is going to be the Google Map Pack. So this is super imperative to come up in, and what this is going to do is give you more traffic. 30 to 40% of consumers and are going to go right here to your website or give you a call straight from this map. And there are ways of increasing your rankings to make sure you have a ton of reviews. I cannot speak. A ton of reviews, making sure you have everything filled out on your Google business profile. So there's an About Us section. They give you 750 words. You want to make sure you max that out, and then you also want to be able to put keywords in there as well. You also want to be very responsive to your reviews and your messages. Make sure you keep posting weekly branded posts and geolocated photos. That's all going to help with your relevance. Now, another thing is citations. So that's going to be your business name and address and phone number and things like, let's say, Yellow Pages, Yelp, Better Business Bureau. Now, going out there and giving your information to as many people as possible, that's going to increase your relevance. It's also going to help your website as well. So I did pull up somebody in the area that's just a competition. And I was looking at their website, seeing all the, the content, the photos and everything they have here. And I was able to put in their analytics as well. So you're able to see here that trust and that strength. They have over 2,000 backlinks from 182 different domains, and they have 106 keywords. So the idea is to be able to take a look at your competitors, and you're able to go through here and see what they are ranking for. So we definitely want to look for what we call buyer intent keywords and things that definitely go along with like your services, your service areas, and then those are the keywords that we want to be able to go after to utilize on your website as well. So that way you're able to start ranking for those, and when people are searching for them, then you'll be able to be coming up on that map pack. So I want to say thank you for taking the time and watching this video. Like I said, if you could possibly give any feedback, it would be greatly appreciated. I will pass along my information, my phone number, my email, along with my name. And again, reach out if you have any questions. I appreciate it. Thank you. Have a good day.